Here's an updated version of the catalog avatar creator walkthrough. Thanks for 10,000 views on the last one, and I'm glad some of you found this helpful. First, I'll broadly explain the buttons, but I'll go more into detail afterwards. I'll start with the upper buttons first. So first is the Roblox menu, and then there's the chat button, and you can hide the UI. It hides the buttons and the spawn point. It doesn't remove the unhide UI. It doesn't remove the undo and redo and the basic Roblox UIs. You can see how many people liked your outfit. As you can see, 0 people liked my outfit this week. You can use the undo button if you made a change to your avatar while editing and you want to undo or redo it. You can use those buttons. The catalog button is where you use the catalog to edit your avatar. UGC stores is a place where UGC creators use to advertise their items. If you are a UGC creator, you need at least 5,000 sales in total. I'll get back to this later. You can find voice chat servers in the microphone button up here. It will only show if you have voice chat. If you have a friend in a voice chat server, it will show on the top. You can buy your avatar in game. The top shows what you still need to buy, and the bottom shows what you already own. You can quickly remove a set of items using the trash can button. So if I removed everything, it'll just be this, but I'm not gonna do that. Free cam gives you the ability to move your camera and move around the map to look around. Q and E makes you go up and down. A and D make you go left and right. W and S make you go back and forth. And the scroller changes the FOV, aka the field of view. Basically just the angle that you view things in. The 3 dots show your emotes that you own and your inventory. Community outfits show outfits that other people have made. Anyone is free to publish an outfit, but inappropriate outfits will get you banned from the game. I'll show you more info on that later. The outfit loader loads outfits that people publish to Roblox, but not the game. You can save outfits that you made in the game. Use emotes if you use R15. So since I'm on R6, it wouldn't work. You can change the effects of the accessories you have on your avatars, and you can make poses. Currently wearing, you can see the items that you're currently wearing in game, and you can test animations since they don't have like a place to test your swimming and climbing animations. You can save to Roblox, but you have to own the items or else it wouldn't work. This resets to your Roblox avatar. You can create a new outfit using this button. This is like a random item picker spinner thingy. This is the photo studio. You can see your purchase history here, and these are just settings. You open the catalog and you can click on any section to get started making your avatar. On the left, click the happy face button so you can view your avatar at eye level. It's useful if you're working with head or face accessories. Below your character is the items you have equipped. On the top of the main catalog part is the search button. If you are on the featured part of the catalog, you can search for anything, but if you want your results to be limited, for example, limited to accessories, when you search, it will only show accessories. If you click on other tabs such as clothing and accessories, it will show subcategories. If some of the categories aren't showing, for example, like Halloween and favorites, you can just go to settings and extra categories and you can enable them. You can add favorite items in game and it will show up in the favorites tab, which is right over here. So right now it's there, but you can also import your own favorite items if you click that button. It'll import all of the items that you have favorited in the Roblox website. And now it's done. If you go to body and then scale, you can change your package. You can change your rig to R6 or R15. You can also change like these stuff, but it wouldn't work because I'm on R6. If you have layered clothing, you can change the order of which the layered clothing goes. If it shows up, you just have to like drag it to just change the order. And then we have gears. Gears only work in private servers, but it's not working right now because I have it disabled right now. On the bottom left, you can insert the item link. I'm pretty sure this works with IDs, but I'm not quite sure. And you can change the size on how you use this. This kind of looks like mobile, to be honest. So you can filter your search results to relevance. You can like change like low to high. You can set the minimum price and the maximum price. You can search by creator or group name, and you can choose whether if it shows the user or the group. You can toggle whether it shows off sale items, and if you have this disabled, then it won't show results that are personalized, but if it's enabled, it will show results based on what you have searched last. When you are done, you can apply the change by pressing this button, but you can also refresh it. UGC stores are just a place that you can create a store of UGC items that you made. You can search for stores and like you can buy from them, but this section of the video is mostly for people who want to create a UGC store. You want to go to create store, and you can create up to 5 stores. I'm gonna click on the one that I already made. Editing the store gives you the option to arrange where certain things go and add things. You can like add a lot of things. If you click the store, that blue button, you can see the store analytics. It doesn't show anything because it's unpublished. You can also see the traffic source. It shows where people click the store from. You can configure how the store displays when people find it. You can change the store name and the image and literally anything. And just press apply, and you have to make sure you press save changes or else it wouldn't save. When you're done with your store, you can publish it, but you need 2,500 UGC items or 5,000 clothing sales to publish a store. And it'll ask for your UGC group name, but like I don't really have one, so like it'll just say sorry, you don't. Yeah. Community outfit. You can publish an outfit you created so that people that play Catalog Avatar Creator can wear them. This is the only time your outfits are public. The outfits you make in the game are not public to anyone to see out of the game. Make sure your outfit isn't inappropriate, and then it's published. It'll show the analytics and you can generate the code, which is like that. I'm gonna copy and paste it just for the next part. See, you can delete it, you can update the outfit, you can rename it, you can share the outfit, and you can toggle comments. If someone gave you an outfit code, they can send it to you so that you can paste it and you can wear it. You can set it to different filters such as trending, newest, oldest, favorited, highest to lowest. And if you favorite an outfit, you can favorite it, and then if you click the favorited tab, you can like find it in there. The gear icon is pretty much the same. You can refresh. You can enter the username of the creator of the outfit. You can set the minimum price or the maximum price. And you can search for if it contains a certain item, and you can check it whether if it hides outfits with off-sale items, and then you can make it so that it only shows a certain rig type and apply changes. But you can also refresh it again. It's the outfit loader. You can insert someone's username to see the avatars they saved to Roblox. You cannot see the outfits they made in-game. Even if someone's inventory is private, you can still see their outfits. The developers of the games are not gonna fix this. Someone's username. And then, yeah, it'll just load the outfits if they have any. These are some dope outfits. Click On the plus button to save an outfit you made, you can just make it some random name, and then you can put your outfit in multiple folders. And to make a folder, you can just you could just make it, and then it'll just add it, and then you can save it. You can select outfits and like put them in folders, or you can just delete them. Next is emotes. You can search for emotes, and you can use off sale emotes even if you don't own them, but it doesn't work because I am using R6. You can favorite them as well, and it'll show up in the catalogs in your favorites. So in effects, you can click on an accessory and you can change the transparency of the item. You can change how much it reflects to the sky. And you can like change the scale of the accessory. You can make it a custom texture. If you insert the decal, the texture will just be on the accessory. You can use a custom color. So like, this accessory is perfect for custom colors, to be honest. And you can reset the effects. You can pose your character. This rig diagram will look different if you are in R15 though. I'll just make a pose and something and then apply it. But if you're in R15, the pose editor is gonna look like this. You can choose to move or rotate the part. Why do I look so small? You cannot scale them. The devs are not planning to add that ability. You can save the poses so that you can like use it later. You can also search for poses. You can see what you have equipped right now. On the side, you can test your animation, and you can save your outfit to Roblox or you can purchase it. But it's not gonna work because I don't own some items. But let's just save it. It's gonna look like this now. Now it will appear in your inventory. To save your outfit to Roblox. To save your avatar to Roblox, you will have to own the things you want to save to Roblox, or else it won't work completely. In the previous timestamp, I showed how it works. Roblox will make it so that it's equipped on your avatar. To reset your avatar, it basically resets to your Roblox avatar. That's pretty much all. To make a new avatar, you can change the package. You can change the color of the default clothing in the top left button. In the gear icon, you can turn on headless or core blocks. And then next, you can like choose a skin color if you want. I'm just gonna do green. You can choose a hair. I'm gonna choose none. And you can change the height or the width. You can like change the rig type as well. So yeah. And when you're done, it'll show up like this. Random items. Click the spinner to get your random items. Maybe we should try it on with our outfit. And now we are at the photo studio. So you can leave the studio with the first button, but the second button is the scene configuration. The background, you can make it so if it's blocks or just a back panel. You can change the color of the prop color and the floor color. You can also change the lighting. I'm probably gonna make it like pink so you can see it. When this changes the angle of the spotlight, the higher the number, the more further out it goes. I'm gonna reset that. The spotlight brightness, you can change the brightness of the light. The higher the number, the more bright it is. And you can also enter a number if you don't want to do the scrolling thing. Range controls how much the light reaches. The higher the number, the more it reaches. And spotlight angle and spotlight range, they may seem like the same thing, but they're different. The spotlight position changes the position of the light. If the amount is negative, the light will go behind you, but if the light is positive, the light will be in front of you. The camera. You can change the camera distance, which is the z-axis. It goes back and forth. You can change the position of the camera in the x-axis, which is just left to right. You can change the position of the camera in the y-axis, which is up and down. Change the field of view, which is just the angle you see things at. Particle effects. I'm gonna make it music notes because I love music. You can change the color of the icon. I'm gonna make it, probably gonna make it like green so you can see it. The particle count controls how much particles drop at a time. The higher the number, the more particles drop. So now you see that there's more particles dropping. You can control the size of the particles. You can change the transparency of the particles. The higher the number, the more you won't be able to see the particles. The particle speed. You can change the speed at which the particles fall down. So if it's high, it's gonna fall very fast, like snow. And if it's low, it's gonna be small and not much particles dropping. The rotation speed controls the speed and whether the particles rotate. So let me slow this down a bit so you can see it. As you can see, the particles are rotating. You can change how much the particles spread out. If the number is high, then it will spread out more. But if it's less, then it will be clumped together. The light emission, it basically just changes how much the particles glow. So if it's high, it's gonna glow more. And if it's like low, it won't give out any light. Time scale, it's different from the particle speed because you're changing how slow it goes. Now we have poses. You can choose whether you do an emote or a pose. You can also put a custom pose, but you have to make sure that you do the pose before you enter the studio. I typed that wrong, so I'm just gonna make it so that it broke its back. What the heck? Okay. And then you go to photo studio, and now it will look like this. The rotation speed, the more you click, the faster, but it will eventually stop and repeat. And you can hide the UI. And you click anywhere to bring back the sidebar. Purchase history. You can see what you purchased in the game and the total amount. You can also see when you bought it. You can change the layout as which you see things. You can like see it as like words or just pictures. Settings. The settings will look different depending on if you join the CAC group. First, we're gonna do the players. You can change your chat tag and the colors of it. So select your name and you can like change the color, and select the text and you can change the color of your text and the tag. You can enter like a tag and you can change the color of it as well. This is only unlocked if you are in the catalog group. You can change your speed and you can change your jump power and you can change your gravity. You can control who is hidden. You can hide non-friends, nobody or everyone. Enter your RP name if you want to have an RP name. It doesn't show here, but it will show to others. Overhead statuses. Actually, I need to reset so that I can show you how this works. It shows what the person is doing. For example, this person is viewing the catalog, which their outfit's very cool. This person is also viewing the catalog. This person's viewing the community outfits. You can control who can see your outfit. So if you have it on everyone can have the ability to wear your outfit. If you don't want your outfit getting stolen, then I recommend that you turn it off. Environment. You can change the environment and the color of it. This is the Halloween one, which is limited time only, and it kind of looks cool, not gonna lie. I actually like it. But let's make it default. And you can change the terrain. You can change the color. This This blue actually kind of looks cool. And reset to default. Catalog. You can change the image ID of the background. Avatar preview on the right. If you have it enabled, your avatar preview will show on the right, but if it's disabled, it will be the original and it will be on the left. 3D avatar scene is just the old avatar background. You can choose whether if it's on light mode, which is actually kind of broken for some reason, or you can change it to glass mode. It makes it transparent and stuff. You can also change the style of it. So color 1, let's make it like a bright green, and color 2 is gonna be purple, and then color 3 is gonna be orange, and you can apply it and it will show up in the catalog. Catalog display animations. To be honest, I don't even know what this does. I don't even know what this does either. Show items equipped over on hover. And Rollimon's limited values. This is what it looks like when it's on, and this is what it looks like when it's off. Camera and lighting. You can change the field of view, which usually I have mine on like 80. But the default is 70. Saturation. You can change how saturated something is. So if it's all the way low, then it will be grayscale. But if it's high, then it'll be very vibrant and colorful and happy. If you feel gloomy, make it the lowest. Contrast controls the contrast. Exposure. It basically controls like how much light is exposed. Low exposure actually kind of looks cool, I'm not gonna lie. You can control the time, and you can control if shadows appear or not, which I have no idea why it isn't working. In general, you can control the music volume. I'm not gonna control that. Or you can put custom music. You can control whether VIP server gears are enabled. UI sound effects is just like, you're probably not going to hear it as well here, but it controls whether you want the sound effects on or off. Auto equip the last outfit you have after rejoining. Just equips the outfit you had on last. Import Roblox favorites. You can import the favorite items that you have on Roblox into the game. And you can also remove the favorite items, and then it shows your total playtime. Extra categories. It just shows more categories if you have them enabled. If you click on someone's avatar, you can like the avatar. You can also view the outfit, but sometimes they have it disabled for some reason. If they have it disabled, or I can't find someone that has it disabled. Why does everyone have it enabled? Damn. You can also wear the outfit if they have it enabled. You can add them as a friend. You can hide the user, or you could block the user, and you can report the outfit and enter an actual reason. Like, don't false report players for like absolutely no reason. Type commands in the chat to look at commands. If you type char and then the person's username, it changes your avatar to the user, what they have on. If you type ref, it will show your avatar reference. It will show what you have on and stuff. If you type headless, it will toggle headless. If you type core blocks, it will toggle core blocks. If you type core blocks 2, then it will toggle the left leg of core blocks. If you type R6, it makes your character into R6. If you want it to R15, you can change it to R15. If you type order, you can change the order. Just drag the item, but it doesn't show because I don't have any on. And if you want to get out of it, then type order again. To refresh your character, it just reloads your character. It doesn't reset your character to the default, it just refreshes it. Outfit, and then you can like paste the outfit code, so it brings it up and you can wear it. Please load. All right. Clones. It basically makes a clone of yourself. And I'm gonna make 2 because of what I'm about to show next. So you can unclone, and if you type it without the plural version, it just deletes the one that's nearest to you. If you want to delete all your clones, you can just say clear clones. If you want your clone to be updated to the outfit you have on, then update clone. The same thing when you want to do all your clones, you just have to put an S at the end. Well, if you're doing an emote, if you want it to do an emote, you can do sync clone. And it syncs the clones that are in R15. You can sync all your clones, and you can unsync your clone, and you can unsync all your clones. If you want to rename one of your clones, you can just type it. You can just rename it to anything, and you can do a name, but you can't do it to all your clones. You can change how fast you go. So like I'm going like really fast right now, but don't make the number too high or else Roblox is not going to be able to like render it, because Roblox can only render a certain speed. It just does that. It just makes you go in place if you type a very high number. If you do /R, it makes your character go to ragdoll. Use the hide command to hide a certain player, and you might have to put their full name. I'm not sure. Do this command unhide all to unhide all the players. You cannot unhide a specific player. You have to unhide all of them. Typing pose opens the pose editor, but I don't think it's gonna work in ragdoll. Yeah, I knew it. What is going on? Yeah, this is when the refresh tool comes in handy. Actually, never mind, it did not work. Type self to view yourself. You can like your own outfit for some reason if you want some self-love. Type /save to save your avatar to Roblox. You can just save it to Roblox, and it will just say your Roblox avatar has been updated. Type purchase to purchase your avatar, but I don't need to purchase anything because I already own everything. Type glassify to toggle glass mode, but I already had it enabled, so let me re-enable it. You can put new cam to add a new camera, and you can just move it around, and then when you type a specific camera position, it'll go back to that camera. It will be stuck in that position, so what you have to do is you have to type cam, and it will reset the camera. /VIP teleports you to a private server, not one that you manually create, but like one that the server gives you, and no one can join that private server. Typing /public teleports you to a public server. Typing /main teleports you to the main game. So if you're in the test server, it teleports you back to the main game. Do /test to teleport yourself to the test server. You can do /voice to teleport yourself to a voice chat server, which requires Roblox VC. You can lock your VIP server so that no new players can join, and you can unlock it, and you can kick a specific player out of your VIP server. FPS toggles your FPS label, so I'm running at like 180. Let me turn that off real quick. You can toggle the version of the server. It's really helpful if they added a new update, but it's not in your server. Clears the chat, and portrait mode enables portrait mode for mobile users, and I'm not a mobile user, so it's not gonna work. Export, it will export your Roblox character as a Roblox package. It did not work for some reason, so, and you can type sales to see the sales of all the items you have on sales. Type sales and the specific ID or the link, and it will show the in-game sales of a specific item, but you have to be the creator of the item to view it. This is the CACTUS test server, the catalog avatar creator test update server. The main difference of the test server is that your outfits don't appear from the main game. It shows B-tools, and it shows updates that haven't been added to the main game yet. FNAF. Now it's time for the frequently asked questions. These are common questions I've got from the last video. How do you see outfits that are favorited in community outfits? First, you want to go to community outfits and wait for this to load. And you just want to like favorite an outfit and make sure you click on this and make sure it says favorited, and then it will show the outfit that you favorited. Can people see the outfits that you created in the game? No, they cannot. If you want them to be public, then you have to upload it to the community outfits. You can also go to settings and make it so that people in game cannot wear your outfit by going to player and setting it to if everyone or no one can view your outfit. When you buy an item in the game, does it go to your inventory? Yes, it does, but if you want to be careful, then you can buy it manually from the Roblox catalog. Buying it in-game works like 99.9% of the time, but I've only seen one legitimate report of someone not getting their items. If that happens, then use the Roblox support or report it to the Catalog Avatar Creator Discord server in the description. How do you go from R6 to R15? You can type it in the chat /R15, or you can go to the catalog and go to body and scale, and then you can select your rig type. How do you import your favorites from Roblox? You can click settings and then go to general, then import your Roblox favorites. If you buy something in game, it will make an announcement in the game. Is there a way to stop this? No, but you can always do it in a private server. There is no way to stop this from happening. Can you wear your friends' avatars? Yes, in the outfit loader, but it only works with outfits that they saved on Roblox. How to check items you previously used? Well, first make sure you're in settings and extra categories and your recent items is on, and then when you go to the catalog, it will show up in the recents tab. How do you report a player in game? You can use the Roblox report system, but if you do not want to rely on that, then you can use the Catalog Avatar Creator Discord server to report players in the description, or you can click on their outfit and you can report it in game. But that is all. I hope this was helpful, and thank you again for 10,000 views on the last one. I'm so happy that you guys found it helpful. It takes me this one probably took me like 5 hours, so thanks. 5 hours to just script and record it, and it'll probably take me another 5 to edit it, maybe. So yeah, thank you for watching.